Hey guys, so today I want to show you a really cool hack with ChatGPT, creative iterations, testing hooks, etc. So stick to the video, watch until the end because this is a really cool hack to create a huge output and have a great hook testing. So first of all, we start in Chat GPT. So I created an account at OpenAI. Then you go to Chat GPT and then you can start choosing a topic. The topic for today would be, let's say, backpackers. So I started with the prompt. Let's create 3 viral hooks for a new backpacker brand, and let's see what ChatGPT will bring up. Travel the world and give back. Pack light, live big. And the third one will be adventurous out there. Okay, great. So next prompt would be great. Engaging headlines of these. Okay, so let's see what he's gonna create now. Sometimes it takes a little while, but in the end, it works for you. So let's see what he's gonna bring up. Explore the world and make a difference with, okay, pack light, live big, the ultimate backpacker's companion. In the meanwhile, I'll create a Google Sheet, right? So a Google Sheet is an online Excel sheet where we can import those headlines. I want to show you a really great workaround. And now I have 10, right? So let's take those 10. I just want to show you the quick workaround so you can use it in your daily creative iterations. Copy paste, and let's jump over to our Google Sheet. So here we are. I created this Google Sheet, very simple, just headlines inside. I mark all my 10 headlines, Control C, Control V, and now I have them all inside of here, right? So let's extract them and go to downloads and create a CSV file out of it. We downloaded the CSV file. So in the CSV file, we have 10 headlines, and we're going to use these ones to create 10 different variations of this creative. So first of all, you need to create one general image with the text block inside, and then you can go on this side on the icon inside of Canva, CSV file upload. You take the CSV file and you see here, okay, it's ready and set. Next step would be to go on the block, click the 3 dots and connect the headline, right? Then you see on the left side, the purple button appears. You click on next, and then you see all the 10 hooks has been imported. And now just click on create the pages. Et voila. We just created 10 different headlines. And the very easy thing about this is once you really want to see what headline is engaging most with your audience, you export them, you set up a view content campaign, and you put all these